When you're out in the wild, dealing with emergencies, or simply preparing for the unexpected, the gear you carry can make all the difference. But with thousands of so-called tactical products on the market, it's hard to know which ones are actually worth your money. That's why we've rounded up 12 tactical survival gadgets that combine real-world reliability with smart design. From advanced navigation and water purification to rugged tools and everyday carry essentials, these are products built to perform when it matters most. If you're serious about outdoor adventures, emergency preparedness, or upgrading your EDC, stick around. You might just discover your next must-have piece of survival gear. Garmin Tactix 8. The Garmin Tactix 8 isn't just a smartwatch. It's a serious survival companion built for demanding environments. Priced at around $1,400, it combines military-grade durability with advanced tactical features like stealth mode, jump master, night vision compatibility, and multi-band GPS for exceptional navigation. The bright AMOLED display, built-in LED flashlight, and impressive 29-day battery life make it just as useful on the trail as it is on a mission. Add comprehensive health tracking, dive support, and worldwide aviation navigation, and you have one of the most capable tactical watches money can buy. CRKT Provoke First Responder. The CRKT Provoke First Responder is unlike any folding rescue tool you've ever seen. Priced at around $240, it features Joe Caswell's innovative kinematic deployment system, allowing the blade to spring into action with a simple push of your thumb. The D2 steel blade offers outstanding edge retention, while the integrated ceramic glass breaker is ready for emergency vehicle extractions. It also includes a durable sheath with multiple carry options for quick access. Whether you're a first responder or an outdoor enthusiast, this tool combines cutting-edge engineering with dependable real-world performance. Hazard 4 Pillbox Tactical Backpack. The Hazard 4 Pillbox Tactical Backpack is built for people who refuse to compromise when carrying expensive gear. Priced at around $300, its rugged hardshell construction and water-repellent materials protect cameras, drones, laptops, and other electronics from impacts and harsh weather. Inside, customizable dividers keep everything organized and secure, while multiple compartments separate your devices for easy access. The expandable hardpoint mounting system, removable waist belt, and ergonomic design make it comfortable even on long trips. Whether you're heading into the field or traveling, this backpack offers premium protection with tactical versatility. Grayl GeoPress Water Purifier Bottle. The Grayl GeoPress Water Purifier Bottle is one of the smartest survival tools you can carry. Priced at around $100, it transforms questionable water from rivers, lakes, or even hotel sinks into safe drinking water in about 8 seconds. Unlike standard filters, it removes viruses, bacteria, protozoa, microplastics, heavy metals, and many chemicals, making it ideal for hiking, camping, international travel, and emergency preparedness. With a Purifier cartridge rated for 65 gallons, it's built for real-world reliability. When clean water isn't guaranteed, this bottle provides confidence with every press. Gerber Gear Downrange Tomahawk. The Gerber Gear Downrange Tomahawk is far more than a camping axe. It's a purpose-built tactical survival tool. Priced at around $280, it combines a razor-sharp axe head, heavy-duty hammer, and integrated pry bar into one incredibly tough package. Made in the USA from 420H sea steel with a durable Cerakote finish, it's designed to withstand harsh conditions without bending or breaking. The included MOLLE-compatible sheath makes it easy to carry on packs or tactical gear. Whether you're camping, handling emergency situations, or building a survival kit, this Tomahawk delivers unmatched versatility and rugged reliability. SureFire Ultra Weapon Light. The SureFire Ultra Weapon Light is trusted by military personnel and law enforcement for one simple reason. It performs when it matters most. Priced at around $290, this rugged tactical light delivers a powerful 1000 lumen beam that's optimized for clear target identification, while still providing excellent peripheral illumination. Its precision TIR lens creates a focused, long-reaching beam, and the aircraft-grade aluminum body stands up to harsh conditions without adding unnecessary weight. With a secure MIL STD1913 rail mount and battle-proven durability, it's an outstanding upgrade for anyone who demands dependable tactical lighting. 511 Tactical Operator Belt. The 5.11 Tactical Operator Belt is built for people who need dependable gear every single day. Priced at around $64, it features heavy-duty 1.75-inch nylon webbing, reinforced stitching, and a high-strength metal buckle that securely supports holsters, pouches, and other essential equipment. Despite its rugged construction, it remains comfortable enough for long shifts, range sessions, or outdoor adventures. Its versatile design also allows it to double as an emergency utility strap when needed, whether you're in law enforcement, security, or simply want a durable everyday belt. This is a tough, reliable investment that won't let you down. Vaultek LifePod 10 Portable Case. The Vaultek LifePod 10 portable case is a smart choice for keeping valuable gear protected wherever you go. Priced at around $120, it features a built-in electronic lock, backlit SmartSense keypad, and backup key access for quick, secure entry. Its rugged T3 polymer construction is lightweight yet highly durable, while the airtight, dust-proof, and water-resistant design helps protect your belongings from the elements. TSA compliant and compact enough for travel, it fits easily in a backpack, vehicle, or luggage. Whether you're safeguarding electronics or other valuables, the LifePod delivers reliable protection in a portable package. Benchmade Mini Bugout. The Benchmade Mini Bugout proves that a compact knife can still deliver premium performance. Priced at around $272, it weighs almost nothing, making it an ideal everyday carry for hiking, camping, and survival kits. Its CPM-S90V steel blade offers exceptional edge retention and corrosion resistance, while the axis lock provides smooth, ambidextrous one-handed operation. The lightweight glass-filled nylon handle feels comfortable without sacrificing durability. Backed by Benchmade's LifeSharp lifetime sharpening service, this knife is built to last. If you want a dependable tactical EDC blade, the Mini Bugout is hard to beat. SIONYX Aurora Night Vision Camera. The SIONYX Aurora Night Vision Camera lets you see the night in a way most cameras simply can't. Priced at around $812, it captures full-color night vision in extremely low light conditions, making it perfect for camping, boating, wildlife observation, and emergency preparedness. Its IP67 rated rugged design handles rain, dust, and rough terrain with ease, while built-in Wi-Fi lets you stream footage directly to your smartphone. With the ability to detect objects up to 150 meters away in near total darkness, this camera is a powerful tactical tool for anyone who spends time outdoors after sunset. SHARPAL 101N Knife Sharpener. The SHARPAL 101N Knife Sharpener is proof that great survival gear doesn't have to be expensive. Priced at around $13, this compact 6-in-1 tool combines a carbide sharpener, ceramic hone, diamond rod for serrations and fishhooks, a ferro fire starter, and an emergency whistle in one pocket-sized package. It fits easily into a backpack or survival kit, making it ideal for camping, hunting, and emergency preparedness. The preset sharpening angle makes restoring a dull blade quick and simple, while the rugged design is built to handle years of outdoor use. It's an incredible value for any survival enthusiast. Streamlight Tactical Light. The Streamlight Tactical Light is a dependable everyday carry flashlight that's always ready when you need it. Priced at around $50, it offers high, low, and strobe modes while running on either a CR123A or AA battery, giving you excellent flexibility in the field. Its shock-resistant LED is rated for an impressive 50,000-hour lifespan, and the durable construction is built to handle demanding outdoor and emergency situations. Whether you're camping, patrolling, or putting together a survival kit, this compact tactical light delivers reliable illumination without taking up much space in your gear. Tactical Backpack. A good tactical backpack isn't just about carrying gear. It's about staying organized and prepared wherever you go. Priced at around $36, this 45-liter backpack offers plenty of room for camping equipment, survival supplies, laptops, and everyday essentials. Built from 900D water-resistant polyester with reinforced stitching, it's tough enough for demanding outdoor use. The Molla webbing system lets you attach extra pouches and accessories, while 5 spacious compartments keep your gear neatly organized. Comfortable padded shoulder straps and a breathable back panel make it easy to carry, whether you're hiking, traveling, or building the perfect bug-out bag.